Guys, today's lesson is all about routing. Uh, we just have some knowledge and previous experience of what is RSE, React Server Components, and also let's dive into some topics and features of Next.js. Yeah, that is the time. Today we're gonna start with routing, and also you can see it right here some kind of topics. Um, it's like Next.gen 15, for example. Routing, styling, optimization, blah, blah, blah. It's our plan, core series, right? And right here, we're just gonna be familiar with routing. What is routing? How can I use it? And also, plus nested routes, we need to be familiar with it, right? Dive into uh, like Next.js official website documentation. You can see right here. Even though I'm teaching you in the videos, I will you recommend you to read the all documentations on the official site, right? Because it's really highly recommended to read it to travel through all pages that need to be a better developer, right? But I will try to make it easy for you for beginners, right? Let's get into the topics. Before moving on, we just gonna our some uh, application, right? I run it. I run it already right here, localhost 300. Oh, it's already opened, I think. Yeah, right here, it's opened already. And by the way, I pushed my data all course, all lessons on the GitHub repository next to this tutorial right here. You can just download the files and test it yourself, right? For example, lesson three. Uh, what did what did what we did in the lesson three commit? You can see commit here. What I changed it and what I modified and what I updated in files you can see right here, right? And in the first lesson, and I will upload it and I will leave it video description as well, right? Okay. Let's dive into the routing. What is routing? Uh, Routing is just gonna like, you know, it's like main topic of the library in any framework. It doesn't matter what it was, right? For example, uh, if you want to click the button in navigation link, you can navigate to another path, right? Another segment. It's a routing. For example, how can I do this in the Next.js? For example, it's about page, and I'm just gonna write a page.t6, and it's redirecting to this page. You can travel through the page, right? Uh, Without further ado, we can just in the practice do it, right? Let's dive into this. For example, we have page.t6. It's our home page. You need to know about it. Yeah, I may make sure you know about it. It's our layout. Um, all of them. All of them. In the page T6, I deleted everything because I created from the export default function home page and return h1 home page and save it. You can see right here, it's home page here, right? Because its default path, default route is home page all the time, right? And all you have to do all the files, all the folders, you have to create the UI in a folder, right? Whenever you need the some page, for example, about page. When I open it up, about page, Next.js is just return the UI. It's default UI, default not found page UI. 40, 44. This page could not be found, right? How can I do this? We can just up folder, create new folder about, right? About. What it has changed? No, it didn't change. But whenever the folder name inside of it, you need to create the UI page.t6, right? Page.t6. And right here, it's gonna like home, and I copied it up and pass it here. For example, it's like I need to change it. You need to page difference, right? About page. Yeah, you can see right here. Yeah, okay, we did it, right? We did it. About page is here. About page, I mean about road is already created, right? Yeah, that's all. And whenever you need another road, for example, profile, you can see the name of the folder is the same as the root, right? Um, okay. Profile, in the profile page, we can just page.t6 create it. And just like copy it up here. I think already copied, but I need to profile update it. Profile page. Yeah. When I'm traveling the profile, redirecting the profile page, you can see it's profiling page throughout the way. Yeah, it's very easy because Next.js is using the file system routing. It's automatically and magically created by just writing and creating the specific folder that you need, right? Yeah, okay. Uh, and yeah, let's recap a little bit. For example, we just created right here. It's the same thing, and turn into nested root. What is nested root? Um, if you want to create just like this blog or second blah blah blah, for example, if I'm gonna my open it up my website, it's my blog site, for example, blogs. Whenever you just blog, it's like blogs page. If I'm gonna just click this blog section, it opens up right here. You can imagine how to approach blah blah blah. It's kind of like nested root, right? Because it's opens up in the nested. Yeah, it's very easy. It's very easy. For example, we can just in the practice an example. If I'm gonna create the block, for example, not block blocks, itself open it up. For example, page.t6 page.t6 and create it. Uh, and I change it logs page. Yeah. And if I go to the blogs page, you can right here, it's opening up blogs page, right? Don't worry about this error because it's a main initial error, just like testing itself, Next.js, right? If I'm gonna create nested root, and inside of this folder, within this folder, we just create a nested root. For example, it's the first block maybe, right? And page.t6. And I copy and I paste it out here, and I change it, for example, first page and first root. And we can travel and navigate the page. For example, first, yeah, it's opened up already. First page is here. Can you imagine? I mean, you created your first nested root here. Yeah. Whenever you want to real world projects, you can just create it itself like this. Don't worry about it. Yeah. If you want to create another one, and I copied it up here and pass here, and not first but second, and also inside this folder, not first but second. Yeah. I change it immediately and instantly, right? And you can travel the second page. Yeah, it's open it here. Yeah, that's all today. It's not, I mean, difficult. For example, if you wanna to recap, we can just blocks page, and inside of this route, we just create another route. It's nested route, right? Yeah. That's all for today. I'm just gonna push it here, git add, something withdrawn, git init, git add, git commit. Today's a lesson 4. git push. Yeah. Okay. And coming here, we can just say some updates. When I refresh this page, for example, yeah, lesson for edit. For example, if you want to go to commits section, you can just lesson for what I did it and what we did it right here, right? You can just take in the code and also use it yourself and test it yourself in your local folder, right? Yeah. Hopefully, you just understand some concepts in routing. It's not difficult. It's very easy in Next.js rather than the React.js because React.js just requires some additional packages like React Router package. Yeah, it takes you a lot of time, right? And also, it's just kind of like, uh, I mean, project structure and also organizing some roads it's very difficult. Not difficult, but taking so much time. Yeah, so much time. I would recommend you go through the Next.js official website and go and see it yourself because it has a lot of examples right here. It's yeah because I will try to make it is easy and also prepare some kind of examples from myself from my experience. But I would recommend you to go here, right? Yeah, because I didn't mention something like this in one video. It's a problem. It takes so much time. But I would recommend you here, right? Okay, thank you so much. Hopefully you make sense, guys.